Allah has created all animate beings with features that differ according to the environment in which they live. Every living thing uses hunt. Some conceal themselves with expert techniques of camouflage. Some turn to mimic, and others employ different intelligent tactics. You are about to see fascinating animals in this film and will of the Allah's creation. Camouflage is an unchanging element of military life. It is important to be able to attack the enemy without alerting them or conceal oneself during The fascinating thing is that not only human beings possessing the power of reason employ this technique, which humanly requires detailed preparation, but animals too. The bodies of those animals that employ camouflage are fitted with colors and designs that blend in completely with the environment in which they live. Some of these animals blend in so well, it's impossible to distinguish them from surrounding flora and foliage. Color as the plant on which it snake insect whose wings are the same, a frog that takes on the same shape and color as surrounding plants. All these are fascinating examples of camouflage. They show us that camouflage is a specially created technique. The colors and things match. It is very difficult to distinguish a tiger hiding among yellow vegetation. Plains on which they can easily conceal them. Like a camouflaged soldier, they slowly creep up on their prey. Camouflage, the cheetah is also able to approach its prey unnoticed. By the time its quarry sees it, it is much too late.